Friends, for this Caterpillar C7, one engine, if oil keeps leaking here, then we need to check the turbocharger. How? Oh yes, it's prone to snapping inside. Almost there. Alright, friends. Now, for this 320 D2 direct injection C7.1 engine from Ziwan County, the main issue is slow warm-up speed. So when we tested it just now, the throttle pressure didn't reach, so let's replace these two, see if it can hold the pressure. Another issue is a significant oil leak on top of the engine. This oil leakage is a serious issue. When we turned off the engine, we found the turbocharger making continuous knocking sounds. It's quite clear that the turbocharger is wheezing, and the excessive pressure in the waste gas chamber is forcing out the engine oil. Well, as for the turbocharger, since it's not in stock, he arranged for a local mechanic to replace it. We'll fine-tune its performance. Alright, we'll install this later and then see the results. Okay. Look at this spark plug, it's definitely worn out. Oh my. This part here is the most crucial. Got it. Oh my, I can't believe this. So dirty, this needs cleaning. Not black anymore. They said, just shake it until it rattles. It proves there is something alive inside. Roughly drop the speed. If squatting down doesn't work, let's not consider it for now. We need to reduce the throttle a little. The current throttle pressure is about right. Feeling a bit lost now, but it's okay. A bit more, it's okay. The pressure is at 200. Taking a little risk afterwards is no big deal. The turbocharger is so wide that it doesn't produce any smoke. The city's experiences. Rubbing the sea gently. I want to go, don't I?